Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I'm really excited to show you this. This is a 2020 250 Solstice by Harris Float Boats. First thing I'm going to point out is the color of these seats. You got to come in here to see this and feel it to believe it. It's so soft, so nice. Very nice stitching throughout the boat. Over here we do have the new design for the recessed cup holders. You have 4 cup holders on each side. Nice little storage area for your phone. And obviously the JL Audio speakers right there. Storage under all these seats. I'll show you this one right here first. Plenty of room. See that little thing right there? That actually folds under the seat and it's going to keep it from flipping up. Let's see any other boat do that. Got the armrests that fold out right here. Very nice and convenient. Another cup holder. Plenty of storage in the ski locker right here. You can put, probably about 8 feet worth of stuff in there. 2 feet deep, all that good stuff. If you can tell right here, there's no door for the helm. That's because this boat comes with the new C-Zone design from Harris. This is great for taking care of all your maintenance items. Everything's in there nice and clean. You do have a glove box right here. You have your displays right here, a 9-inch Simrad display, chrome bezels around each of your gauges. Like I said, it has the upgraded JL Audio system, which is a subwoofer under that seat right there. Digital throttle and shift. This is one of the coolest features right here. You have a phone charging station. It's not up here where the wind can blow it or it's going to fall out of the boat. It's down here nice and secure. Now coming back here, point out the tower real quick. This does have a double bimini system. This is one of the coolest new features from Harris. This folds completely flat to give you a nice large bed. So you don't want it like that. Lift it up, and it's the regular single rear lounger setup. That seat goes right back into place. Then you can fold this forward or backwards if you'd like. Back here, tons of room to walk around. You have an additional JL Audio remote control back here, down low and up top. So if you're out in the water right here, you can change the station easy. Or if you're sitting back here, you can change it right here. Again, more cup holders. Plenty of cup holders throughout this boat. Ski tow bar. Got these safety chains right here. If you want to hook them up right in the back while you're underway, you can sit back here legally. Right here we have the swim non-step seat, I guess you can call it. Drop that in the water. Nice place to hang out. Extra wide telescoping ladder. Easy access in and out of the boat. And a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and check out this boat soon because it's not going to last long.